love that.
Like Superman.
This is great. Wow, it's very bright.
So the reason this is so cool is because it tells a story. So this formed like more than 2 billion. It's called banded iron, and it formed more than 2 billion years ago, and it could no longer form today.
Really?
Yeah. Well, the reason why is because it's been metamorphosed, but it started as a chemical sediment, which means that something reacted in the water,
Something with iron.
and then
Vice versa.
How many
Exactly.
billion years ago did you say?
it's like more than 2 billion years ago. So it's like between 3.5 and 2 billion years ago. These were formed, so they could no longer form
Where
anymore.
they found?
They're found all over the world. In fact, this is like the one of the main sources of our iron. So this is like an iron ore.
So,
Donna's head's
yeah. I was
worrying.
just
She's trying to figure out how this was formed.
about like toxic Earth at one point. You know how they were saying that the oceans were really toxic.
So what was in the ocean that probably isn't in the
Iron.
ocean? Exactly. So
Iron.
free iron.
Yeah.
All right. So how would free iron be removed from the water?
Drainage.
What would cause it? What would cause it to?
Oxygen.
Okay. So where would oxygen come from?
The air. Water.
No, because there was no oxygen in the air.
From the
Instrumentally.
star.
I don't know.
Yeah. Exactly. So when photosynthesis evolved, right? What's the byproduct of photosynthesis?
Right,
It's oxygen.
right,
So oxygen
right.
was released into the oceans. It would immediately react with the free iron, and then that iron would sink to the bottom. All right.
Like a
So it took about 2 billion years.
Like a drainer.
Yeah. So it's a precipitate,
Wow.
right? So it took about 2 billion years, and eventually all the oxygen was removed from the oceans, and oxygen began then to build up in the oceans and the atmosphere, and that's what allowed life eventually to move out of the oceans and onto the atmosphere, as there was oxygen available in the air for things to breathe. So originally we had no oxygen. So the oxygen that we have today is
More cleaner.
it's the response. It's there because things photosynthesize,
Right.
right? And the reason it can build up is because there's no more iron for it to react
This is
with.
amazing. Do you have a picture
So
of
it's
this?
cool.
Oh my God. I wish I brought my
Make
camera.
sure.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's like the iPad. It's like perfect.
Oh my God.